The shrub pictured here is Corylus avellana, or the European filbert. Corylus avellana is a large shrub to small tree growing around 12 to 20 feet tall. Corylus avellana will usually be multi-stemmed and spreading in form, and will develop numerous suckers that may need to be removed to keep it attractive looking and prevent it from becoming a thicket. One popular cultivar that you'll probably encounter at some point is Corylus avellana contorta, shown here, which has very contorted, curving growth. The overall form is the same, but it's just exaggerated. The leaves of Corylus avellana are simple and alternate, up to 4 inches long, and elliptic to ovate to orbicular with a doubly serrate margin. The leaf base is rounded to cordate, and the leaves may also be plicate, which means that they look kind of like they've been folded. The leaves are pubescent, as are the stems. The stems are also glandular and flexuous, which means they have kind of a zigzag appearance, and they may look a little contorted. Here's another angle so you can better see the leaf arrangement, pinnate venation, and the slightly zigzag quality of the stem. And here you can really see the doubly serrate margin, and the leaves may also have a slightly acuminate apex, as you can see on this leaf. Here's the underside of the leaf. You can see the pubescence on the leaf blade, veins, and petiole. Here you can see the female flowers a little bit better. Even though they're small, I still think they're kind of pretty. This is what the fruit will look like later on in the growing season. The edible nut is about 3/4 of an inch long and set within an involucre, which is a whorl of bracts, which are about the same length as the nut. The margins of the involucre are kind of cut into shallow, often toothed lobes, as you can see here. The nut and involucre at the ends of those stems can be rather attractive, I think. Corylus avellana is the most widely grown filbert species for commercial nut production. If you're growing this species at home, you'll probably want to choose a cultivar that has been selected for nut production. There are several listed in the fact sheet, and I've included a link where you can find a number of different cultivars developed by the USDA in Oregon. European filbert is self-fertile, but it's recommended to plant 2 or more trees or cultivars to ensure successful pollination and fruit set. Filberts, or hazelnuts as you'll often hear them called, are great eaten raw or roasted. Roasting will enhance the flavor. They're very popular in chocolate, baked goods, and other sweets, but they can be used in savory dishes and even salads as well. And this concludes our discussion of Corylus avellana, the European filbert.